Welcome to my channel Cooking and Style. Today we are making a very delicious and healthy blueberry smoothie with oats porridge. Now let's start the recipe. First add 200 grams of frozen blueberries into a blender. After that add 2 tablespoons of yogurt. And then add a little bit of milk. After this, blend it. We are going to put it into the freezer for 20 to 30 minutes. This is up to you. Now it is time to make the oats porridge. Add the oats porridge into 1 cup of boiling milk. You can also add 2 tablespoons of sugar. This is your decision. Cook it and continuously stir it for 5 minutes. Once it is ready, allow it to cool down for some time. Now it is time to garnish the smoothie and the porridge. For toppings, we are using berries, nuts, and 1 whole banana. Sprinkle some crushed almonds. We decorated the blueberry smoothie and oat porridge in 3 ways. For the first one, we used crushed almonds and sabudana. For the second one, we used sliced bananas. And in the third one, we added extra berries. This is a very healthy and nutritious breakfast. It is also very delicious and it is perfect for weight loss. If you have not already subscribed to our channel Cooking and Style, please subscribe. Press the bell icon to be notified of when we upload new videos. Like this video and share this video with your friends and family. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Comment down below your opinions on this recipe and also future suggestions. Please make sure to watch our other delicious recipes and videos. Allah Hafiz. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed.